Good morning students, welcome to online class. In our last class we have learned the Happy Man's Shirt Italian folk tale. I hope all you understood the lesson. Today we will discuss some question answers and match the following based on this lesson. First of all we will go through the match the words with their meanings. Here in column A some words are given. In column A, some words are there. In column B, the meanings of the words are given. First of all, the word is shrug. Shrug means to raise your shoulders and then drop them. Next, decree. Decree means an official order or decision. Next word, astrologer means a person who tells people about their future. Next, blonde means pale or yellow colored hair. Next one, priest means a person who trained to perform religious duties. Next one, droop. Droop means to bend down. Inquire. Inquire means to ask for information. Next, desperate means willing to do anything to change situation. Next one, hare. It is also like a animal, rabbit. An animal like a rabbit but larger than the rabbit. Next one, ambassador. Ambassador means an official representing his government in another country. Minister, the correct meaning of minister is a member of government in charge of a government department. Next one, gesture. Gesture means a movement of the body to show what you feel. All these are about the words and with their meanings. Next, we will go through some question answers. In page number 22, trying to understand. Exercise 3.2. First question is, what do you think could be the reason for the king's son Jonash to be unhappy? The answer is, actually there is no reason for his unhappiness when he means Jonash. Jonash is a prince. Even he doesn't know why he is unhappy. The reason is he is unhappy. So stared blankly out of the window over the lands and frowning. Next question is, do you think the astrologers came up with the correct solution? If yes, why? And if not, why? Give the reason. Here the answer is, the readers feel that the astrologer have come up with the correct solution. They wanted the king and the readers to understand what is happiness. Next question. Can a person die of melancholy? Perhaps it is possible. The impact will be deep and cause of illness. Next, fourth question. Was the king able to find a happy man? Yes, he was able to find a happy man. Fifth question. Why did the king ask the priest to be his minister? Here the answer is the priest told the king that he was happy and was ready to accept the post of minister. The king understood that he was only looking to better himself. Actually, the king wanted to test him. Next, sixth question. Are the people who are very rich and have everything that they ever wanted really happy? No, we don't think that they are happy. Next one. Who according to you is really happy? According to me, the true or real happiness comes from within. Man should be needy but not greedy. Then only he can be happy. Next question, eighth one. Are there any pointers that a person can follow to be happy? If yes, what are they? Man should be selfish but selfless. We should never find happiness outside. It is within us. We should not envy others. We should not be greedy. We should share and live. All these are to follow to be happy. Next question. Why did the young boy refuse to be the king's personal advisor? If you had been in his place, what would you have done? The king saw a dashingly handsome blonde youth lying in the reeds. Reeds means grassland. The lad means small young boy, means lad means a young boy. The lad was on his back gazing up at the many clouds in the sky. The king offered him the position of his personal advisor. The young boy stood up and scratched his chin and rejected the position by telling him that it was troublesome position. If I had been in his position, I would have accepted it. Next, 10th one. What does happiness mean to you? Happiness is when our life fulfills our needs. Happiness comes when we feel satisfied and fulfilled. Next one, happiness is a feeling of contentment that life is just as it should be. Happiness. It should be happiness is a journey, not a destination. Next, I want happiness. When we remove I and want, we get happiness. Next one, why didn't the happy man have a shirt? Because the happy man was very poor, because his arms drooped to his sides, and also the happy man has not wear, he didn't wear a shirt. Next, last one. Why was the king happy when the boy refused his offer? The king noticed selfless nature of the boy, so he was happy. Thank you.